The parents should also be aware of this because we know that this KD Fire Square Roadshow not only emphasizes the Bureau of Fire Protection sense of creativity by giving this particular kind of playful things so that the children also enjoy, at the same time also feeling the sense of safety.
It is a must that we have to train our children to be prepared and to be resilient in all kinds of disasters. The BFP has its mandate to defend or to protect its people against destructive fire as well as in other calamities. And we are doing our best, doing our innovative way to at least help our children to be prepared and to be resilient, and they have that attitude of self-care, self-help in times of disasters.
So usabon na ako, no, dako kayo ang akong pasalamat sa inyo kay inyong hatagan og bili ang imbitasyon, lalo na inyuhang gidala ang inyuhang mga anak. Kay napaka-importante nga sila jud ang mahatagan og atensyon nga matudluan sa mga lesson sa Fire Square Roadshow. Ang akong pasalamat sa City Mall Management, despite a very short notice, no, kay store manager at saka sa safety and security, short notice, they approved our request to have a Fire Square Roadshow. Third, the entire men and women and the management of the Provincial Fire Marshal and the City Fire Marshal of Bacolod, kaya nga nang sabi ko, mabilisan ito. Ito lang ho yung na-set up nila, pero kung buong Fire Square po, meron ho tayong manual na nagagawa na po, third edition na po yung manual ng Fire Square Roadshow. Meron ho mga minimum number of stages para hindi sayang yung time na mag-put up at yung time din ng mga attendees sa Fire Square na talagang mag-enjoy. Pero siguraduhon ako sa inyo, mga parents, na maski gamay lang ang stages, mag-enjoy jud ang inyuhang mga anak o makatuon sa kung unsa man ang dapat matun-an sa Fire Square Roadshow.
It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. Here we are, so thankful to be in this place. So enjoy the gentle breeze, live life with peace and with grace. It's time to appreciate the beauty and make a difference for all to see. If we start right now, we all can achieve the power to change the world. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. And we're filled with joy, grateful for all that's good in our lives. And we all can join together.
I would like to congratulate BFP Region 6, especially the province of Negros Occidental and the Bacolod City Fire Station for having this Fire Square Roadshow. Masaya kong balikan bilang isang pinakaunang naging regional director ng BFP NIR. Masaya at nagkaroon tayo ng Fire Square Roadshow sa Bacolod. I would like also to congratulate Negros Oriental for joining yesterday in the Saludo sa Serbisyo. At congratulate din Negros Oriental for winning the basketball game. Masaya ho ang stay ko sa Bacolod. Of course, Colonel Alba, Major Hardilesa, and the Regional Director of BFP Region 6. Sana patuloy ho natin gawin itong Fire Square Roadshow na to dahil malaki po ang maging tulong nito sa ating mga kabataan at sa lahat po na nagpa-participate. This will be a whole of government, whole of society approach wherein we can teach our participants the concept of public safety and for them to learn also ano ba ang mga dapat gawin upang maiwasan ng disgrasya. So sa lahat ng mga nandirito, mga kabataan na lumahok at ang mga magulang, mga teachers, maraming salamat. For Negros Occidental, it's a job well done. Congratulations, kudos.